how to make English language learning fun, fast and easy. Do you get bored while learning English language? And are you feeling that you should quit this English language learning because you are not interested in this, because you are not having any fun, and because you are not learning this language in a fun way? Is this problem for you? So this video is for you. I am dedicating this video for all my subscribers who are just bored with learning English language and they are not at all disinterested in this language learning. So let's get started. And before diving into the video, let me explain it with an example. This is very beautiful example, and after relating this example I will give you the suggestions, the right kind of tips to learn English language in the with fastness, with fun and with ease. So let's get started. You might have observed a castle. A castle is well protected and there are guards on the castle to protect it. Let's imagine that you are just standing outside the castle and you just want to enter into the castle, but the guards are not allowing you to enter into the castle. And whenever you want to intrude into the castle, the guards make you stand there, and you are just standing there and you are just thinking to enter into that castle. The castle is just like our mind. When you make English language learning or any foreign language enter into your mind, the mind hates the new thing. The mind hates this new information and it doesn't allow this language learning, any new language, enter into your mind. Then what is the solution? For example, if a person inside the castle just opens the gate and allows you to enter into the gate, what would be the condition? You will easily go into the castle. The same thing happens with our brain. Now, the person standing outside the castle is just like our non-native learning style. What is the style? Non-native learning style, where you focus on translating, where you focus on not the understanding but on translating the ideas, on grammar rules, on tenses, on explanations, but you are not focusing on the native style. Focusing on translation, focusing on grammar, rules, explanations, tenses, each and everything. We just want to explain everything and we want to give definitions of each thing. That's why it becomes impossible and we are just standing outside the arena or outside the playground of English language learning and we are just bored and we don't want to enter into that castle. And castle, God are not allowing us to enter into that castle, because our method is wrong. Our method is based on translation. Our method is based on explanation. Our method is based on giving definitions. And this is non-native English, non-native learning style. And now come towards the person who is inside the castle and who just opens the door and to make you allow to enter into that castle. Now, what is that? That is understanding. It means that, and that person or that man is actual the understanding, and this style is called native learning style. And there is a hell of difference between the non-native English style and native learning English style. Here the focus is on translation. Here the focus is on grammar. Here is the focus is on giving definitions. What is noun? Noun is a name of person, place or thing. We are given definitions. What is pronoun? We are given definitions. What is present indefinite? We are given the definition. What is past indefinite? We are given the definitions. We are given the explanations, and we are just entangled in translations. And what is native style? Native learning style is to give explanation, is to give understanding of that thing. For example, I will relate for phrasal verb. For example, if I say that turnover, the word turn over, if I say this in non-native learning style, I will say that turnover, definition of turnover, the explanation of turnover, and it makes very difficult for the brain to capture the idea. And if I just say that turnover is just this, turnover is just this, and you catch the idea, to catch the meaning, and this is called understanding. This is native style, and this is the right kind of style. And if I again explain another phrasal verb, that turn around, in native style, I will focus on giving the translation, I will focus on giving the explanation, I will focus on giving the definition. But in native style, I will just say that turn around is this, turn around is this. This is called understanding, and this is right kind of approach. We just have to comprehend, we just have to understand the things rather than to fill our brain, fill our castle. This is our castle, in fact. Fill our castle with the explanations. We should not fill it with explanations, with different kinds of definitions, with different kinds of translations. Our mind is just engrossed, just busy in doing translations, just busy in remembering the explanations, in just busy in remembering and capturing those definitions. And we have not trained our brain to understand the things, to understand it in a better way. Give your mind the understanding. What is present indefinite? You just not have to do what is present, definition of present indefinite. That present indefinite, what is present indefinite? Definition should not be given. You should have to utilize present indefinite. That to narrate present, what is present indefinite? He goes, he comes, he sleeps. You should have to use those words in actual situation rather than focusing on the explanations, rather than focusing on the definitions. Because definitions and explanations make it difficult for the brain to capture it. And in this way, if you give the understanding, then your brain will enjoy the process, will have fun, and will have English language learning the easiest way. So this is our lecture. Hope you have understood the beautiful example of castle with the mind and how to understand English language learning. Hope you have understood, and if you like the video, kindly share, subscribe the channel. I have for the first time said in my channel. Thank you so much. Till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.